Hello everybody, welcome back to our HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix touchscreen not responding on your POCO F7. So first, what you guys want to do is remove your screen protector or a case because that can cause a lot of interference. So basically, if you do not have an original case and a screen protector, then I would recommend you guys removing it. So I'll remove my case, and now as you guys can see, my case is designed by POCO, so we know that this case is good. But if yours isn't and it's just a third party case, then I would recommend you guys removing it and checking if there's a difference, because I think there should be a noticeable difference when you remove the screen protector and a case. After that, what you guys can do is clean the screen with a microfiber cloth. So get your cloth ready, and now give it a few good swipes. And now, after swiping for a bit, don't do it too hard though, then you will get a clean screen. You will remove any debris, any dust, and that means your screen can become more responsive. So now after that, what you guys can do is force restart the phone to refresh the system. So click the power button first and the volume up button. Now hold them together and scroll down to reboot. And now while the phone is rebooting, what you guys can do is make sure that your screen protector is properly aligned and that the case is not covering the screen. So I'll see you guys once the phone is restarted. So after restarting your phone, what you guys can do is update your software to fix any glitches causing the touchscreen to become less responsive. So open the phone back, so unlock it. Now here, let's go over to settings and click about phone. So here, as you guys can see, we need to click on Xiaomi HyperOS and it will check automatically if we have an update available. If we do, then we will see a big blue button here that will basically prompt us to update our software. So after updating our software, or if we do not have an update available, then what we can do is perform a factory reset. So factory reset is not a must or a need. You can do it, but you don't have to, because if it's a software issue, then it probably won't fix it, and if it's a hardware issue, then it won't fix it at all. So scroll down, go to factory reset, and here click erase all data. After you confirm your PIN, you will see that it will ask if you want to back up everything first. So click on backup, then basically you will click factory reset or erase all data right here, and your entire phone will be back to the default settings. So it will be like when you first got it or opened it. So that's basically it for the video. I hope it was helpful, and if it was, then leave a like, sub, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.